Hey, what's up, folks? If you love a dark theme, then how about a dark YouTube? Yeah, you guessed it right. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a dark theme YouTube without any third-party app, but with help of root. And this video will be of two parts. This is for the rooted ones and another for the non-rooted. So let's get started. I can't keep up with So hey guys, I am currently using the normal YouTube app which everyone have, and it's white themed and boring, I would say. No, it's not boring. So as I mentioned earlier, you must be rooted, and I am rooted with Magisk. And another thing which you need to install is a preference manager. So now go into preference manager and search for YouTube. If you don't see YouTube, then press that three buttons and click on show system. Now you should be able to see the YouTube. Now go into YouTube and you must be in the YouTube XML. Now search for dark, and if you don't see anything, then don't panic, even I don't. Now let's go ahead and add some Boolean values. Now press that plus button and choose the Boolean value. Now you need to copy two values which are given in the description down below. Copy them one by one and make sure that you keep the value true. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way. Now once everything is done, exit the preference manager, and now we need to force stop the YouTube app. So in order to force stop it, let's go into the settings. Now into the settings, we need to go into the application, and this may vary from Android version to Android version, but go into apps and search for YouTube, click on YouTube and force stop it, and make sure YouTube is not running in the background or any activity of YouTube is open in the background. So let's cross check it, and yes, we don't see any kind of background activities. And let's check it, and here we go. We have the black and the sassy look of the YouTube, which looks pretty cool. So this is how rooted users can acquire the black theme on the YouTube app, and for the non-rooted ones, please make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it.